Hello and welcome to this short walkthrough of NetXplore. In this demo we'll talk about the main features that this fantastic cost-effective learning tool can offer. To start, we'll give you some background on this product. Traditionally, Mpirical have offered highly technical training to a wide customer base. Over the many years we've been doing this, we've realised there was a requirement to deliver technical training to non-technical staff members. As a result, our development team and our trainers have worked together to come up with a perfect solution that delivers technical concepts in a way that's easy to digest for non-technical audiences. We've achieved this by centering NetXplore, our newest, fully interactive learning tool, around a typical landscape which encompasses a cityscape along with a suburban, industrial and rural setting. Across this map, you can access a range of use cases and concepts which use a combination of animation and short videos to assist with the learning process. For example, let's say you have a new staff member who is completely unfamiliar with the mobile network. They can start with looking at some of the use case scenarios which will take them through the basics of setting up a call, connecting to the internet and basic mobile coverage concepts, to name a few. Or perhaps you have a team member involved in bringing to market a new service or technology. Through NetXplore, they can navigate the critical aspects of private 5G, fixed wireless access and small cell connectivity, amongst many others. With NetXplore offering so much in one package, we've been particularly careful not to overwhelm our users. That's why we've developed two different models for users to choose how they navigate their way through the virtual learning environment. Explore mode allows a user to browse the concept freely, while study mode provides a more structured path of learning to guide the user through their learning journey. When in study mode, users must unlock the path as they go. Badges are earned for each level completed, leaving the learners with a sense of accomplishment and confidence as they build on their development. If all of the study mode topics are completed, the user will earn a certificate, and for the managers of individual users, all progress can be tracked through the reporting feature on Mpirical's Learning Zone. So, if you like what you see, contact us to learn more about what NetXplore can do for your organisation.